This is going to be a reading for sign of Libra, all that you need to know moving forward. So let's start. What is going on with you guys? It's going to be for Sun, Moon and Rising. All that you need to know about your connection for the sign of Libra. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, right now with the Empress card, I believe many of you guys are in lot better energy. You guys are vibing again. I see you being confident, being focused, being very much confident that you're going to find what you want in life, regardless if your partner gives in or not. Okay, I see in the recent past you guys could have released something or let go of something. Okay, but it is not bothering you. That is the overall energy. With the Empress card, you're sitting where you are and you're sitting comfortably. Okay, one more card. What else do we see Libras going through? Okay. With the Eight of Cups, many of you guys could have finally felt like you have walked away because you do not feel emotionally connected to your person like you used to. Many of you, it was difficult to move on, but many of you guys are on the way. Like you guys are moving forward. Okay, I don't see you looking back. I mean, letting go of this connection is in some which way making you feel better. Okay, it's not draining you. You feel like you are finally in a good space now. Okay, so with Eight of Cups, I think that many of you guys are not emotionally invested anymore. Okay, one more card. One more card. What is coming up for Libra? With Eight of Wands, for many of you, I see you guys moving forward. Okay, regardless if your partner is giving in or not, I see you moving towards something new in your life. Okay, with Eight of Wands, I also see a lot of communication coming your way. Okay, so in terms of your soulmate connection, Libra. In terms of your soulmate connection with the Hermit card, again I think that like nothing is clear about the connection. Okay, in the past it was all mind games, ego clash, blame game. Okay, and you were tired. Right now both of you could be taking a break from each other. I don't see you being bothered, to be honest. Okay, one more card. In terms of the connection, what's the overall energy going to be like? Yeah, with Ten of Swords, I believe many of you guys consider this connection dead and done. Okay, like it's over, it's done. Okay, in terms of your partner, one card for your partner. Like what are they going through? Libra soulmate. The one Libra is connected with, or one Libra is supposedly in a connection with. Three of Cups. This person, I believe, is wanting to still be friends with you, regardless if this connection is romantic or not, or whether they are wanting to be a part of you or not. This person still wants to stay in contact with you, in connection with you. Okay, one card for their energy towards you now. Card towards you. With Temperance card, in terms of their energy, with Three of Cups and Temperance, I believe this person does want to come forward. If it's a new or past, that's up to you to to connect. But with the Temperance card, they do want to talk to you. They do want to let go of the past differences. They do want to be on good terms with you. Okay, period. One more card. In terms of how they're thinking about you now, how is this person possibly thinking about Libra? They are confused. They have no clarity as to what to think about you because you are acting so different. Okay, they cannot really understand what's up with you. Some of them might even feel like you're moving on, and that might be really bothering them. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they think of Libra now in terms of partner? Yeah, with the Justice card, this person definitely want to balance this differences between the two of you. They do want to talk to you. They do want to speak the truth. Okay, for many of you, this is the same person who once wanted to stay independent from you, or once did not really want to get into any sort of commitment with you, but right now they want to change that. Okay, I don't know, for whatever reasons, this person will come off honestly. Okay, one more card. In terms of their intentions towards Libra, what are their intentions towards Libra? King of Pentacles, please clarify the King of Pentacles for me. Yeah, with Ace of Swords and King of Pentacles, this person is going to speak about commitment. Okay, this is going to be honest communication, which is regarding commitment. It could be directly or indirectly, but it will have to do something with the long-term stability. Okay, one card for in terms of action. What are they want to take towards you? In terms of action, what step are they want to take towards you now? Yeah, with the mention card, they do want to take action, they want to manifest, they want to put in that effort. In terms of what can you guys expect, in terms of what can you guys possibly expect? With Page of Swords, I believe right now this person has been watching you. They have been holding back in the past, but right now this person is like, like watching you from a very close distance. Okay, now today tomorrow you guys will get a message. Okay, now for those who haven't been in communication for more than a year, that is different, and those are the same idiots who come to every channel and they want to speak shit about the reader. Not me. I don't take the shit, I usually block them, but there are many people who take it. Okay, if you guys are not in communication for more than 1 year, it is up to you to lose yourself or to move in a different direction. I don't mean it in a bad way, but you can't blame a tarot reader for keeping you waiting. No one is keeping you waiting, to be honest. Everyone is doing their service. Okay, if it resonates, you be a part of it. If it doesn't, you move like away to the ones you connect with. Okay, but you cannot be watching tarot for more than a year if you have no contact. You got to either get a personal reading or you got to find a way out of it. Okay, there's no solution that's going to come up from tarot if you have had no contact from a year and more. Okay, one more card. In terms of their feelings, however, what can you guys possibly expect from this person? How would this person come forward? With Knight of Swords, this person does want to charge towards you now. Okay, they want to move things forward, and in terms of commitment, they will want to talk about it. I would not want to necessarily say that they will directly ask you for, to get married or to propose to you or something. No, I'd see them trying to speak about it, like honestly opening up about it. Okay, one card for how do they feel about you now? How does this person feel about you? They are restless. Okay, they cannot get proper sleep. They keep thinking about you. They have been thinking about you. If many of you guys were thinking about them as well, I believe it's because they were thinking about you. So there's a connection there. Okay, one more card in terms of their heart space. In terms of their heart space, well, Wheel of Fortune. So in terms of their heart space, they want to move forward. Like in terms of this connection, they want the cycle to move forward. Okay, we have the King and Queen at the bottom, which tells me that they have been in love with you for a while now. It's not like they were in love with you yesterday and like today they are like fuck it, I don't want it. No, they have been going through it. Okay, in terms of their headspace, however, how do they feel about this connection? Headspace, many of them might feel that with Two of Cups, that this is a soulmate connection, this is something special. But sometimes with Five of Swords, it's always that ego that might be getting in the way. Like, why should I be reaching out, regardless if they are right or wrong? Many times we also do the same thing. Even if we are wrong, we don't see it. Okay, that doesn't mean we are narcissists, but sometimes we do not see it. Sometimes it takes time to accept the truth. Okay, and with the Five of Swords here, sometimes they want you to be chasing them or you to be initiating, but this time for many of you, I won't really give you a percentage, but for many of you, this person will willingly put in the effort. Okay, what do they want with you? What does this person want with Libra now? What does this person want with Libra? So please clarify the Four of Swords. With Queen of Cups, I see them wanting to balance it, wanting to get back on the same page, wanting to fix it. Okay, with Two of Wands, they're eagerly waiting for this new beginning. Okay, I definitely feel like for many of you, this person will charge in. You can expect action in the next 36 hours, in between the next 36 hours, not even in the next 36 hours. And it could be today, tomorrow, or day after. But I see you getting a message pretty soon. Okay, so where things could be going between Libra and your person, where things could be going now. The Emperor card, however, one of you is acting stubborn. I believe it's you. Okay, like you feel like it's done and over. Why even bother being a part of it if it's done and over, right? So you might not be clearly trusting them for whatever they've made you go through in the past. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, you feel like it's going to be a false start where it starts and gets stuck again. Okay, so that could be bothering you as well. That could be a blockage. Okay, so one card for how does this person view Libra? How does this person view Libra? They feel like you're focused on your personal life. Okay, they feel like you're focused on your work, your family, your problems, your situation. Okay, your responsibility moreover, and many of them think that you might not be open for a commitment. I do not know, for whatever reasons they might think that you might not exactly be ready for commitment with them, not someone else, with them. For this person has been resisting you in the past, and just maybe they might think that you're taking revenge. Okay, so that's coming up. So let's take spirit messages. Let's take spirit messages. My battery percentage is pretty low. My phone might die any minute. That's why I gave her such a fast read. Questioning, doubts, confusion, that could be you have questions, you have doubts, you have confusion as to why this person is doing this. What's the purpose? Are they really wanting it, or it's just like the old times where they come off, when you open up they hold back again. You guys are questioning a lot, not over, holding back. Okay, so just like I told you, it's not over, it's not done yet. Where things could be going, spirit, in the near future. Okay, many of you doubt that this person is just around with you because nothing else is happening. Okay, right now you guys have anger. There's past drama that is blocking you. Ego, yes. Ego is sometimes a false mask that we wear just to protect ourselves, right? So, yes, so this person is definitely hiding their feelings. They definitely want you, okay? And I'm not saying this to get views. You know me. I'm a very honest reader. If I was about views, I would have said the cheesiest shit that people write out there. Okay. So if you really resonate with this reading, kindly hit the like button, support the channel, support your reader. Okay, that's how I grow. Otherwise, I stay stagnant like your love life, right? So yeah, please support. And if you want a personal reading, please do reach out my website and book one for yourself. I have $5 off on all readings. It's already calculated and out there. The rates are out there. It's already reduced. Okay, and yes, thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Cheers.